Hi Doctor, we want to present our video about roofing system. The introduction will be explained by Min Farah. For the historical use is Liu Tianyi, the modern roofing by Bajmjan, while Bun Kianyi with Nazira present the type of roof. Last but not least, Samuel will present the key component of roof. Lastly, Wong Huzi present the innovation product of roof. Introduction. What is roof? Roof is the covering on the uppermost part of the building. Roof is to protect the building and occupant from climate, such as cool in winter, hot in summer, blizzard typhoon, tundra, hot and arid desert. Requirement of roof: acoustic insulation, thermal insulation, waterproofing, wind protection, static and dynamic stability, fire safety, and durability of materials.
Roof materials at the dawn of civilization. It's easy to assume that early people slept out in the open under the stars or was protected from the elements inside a cave. However, archaeologists have found evidence of very early use of roofs made from a wide variety of substances, including animal parts, wood, rocks, and clay. Early people were generally limited to whatever roofing materials would be found naturally in their environment. In tropical areas, plum fronds were a practical and lightweight choice that remains popular even today. The Plains Indians made their trips out of the skins of animals like buffalo and the deer that they hunted. Mud and straw roofs were also frequently used in many areas in ancient Africa.
Modern roofing has come a long way. Today's roofing materials inherit the legacy of the past and combining the best elements of what has worked for centuries with the technology and trends of today. While the kind of roofing materials used today are still influenced by things like local climate, local availability of materials, and cultural preference, buyers today have a lot of choice. And homeowners can choose stainless slate roofing or choose inexpensive and fast asphalt roof solution. And metal roofing like copper and zinc is versatile, beautiful, and highly durable, as well as highly energy efficient, light, and recyclable, making it a great choice for today's green building trend. Today's roofing products are engineered not only for more choice and selection, but also for durability and versatility. Many more affordable choices are available to more homeowners and builders today. Whatever roofing solution you choose for your home, you can be sure there is a long history of human ingenuity and hard work and craftsmanship behind it.
A roof shape is more difficult than it seems. There are many different roof types and they all have different unique properties. First, the butterfly roof. Butterfly roof is a modern design made up of two inward sloping gables. A butterfly roof looks like the wings of a butterfly lifting upwards. Because of their unique design, butterfly roofs have a number of advantages and disadvantages that other types of roof don't have. First, due to the aerodynamic structure, butterfly roof can resist wind damage from heavy storms and coastal winds. Then, the roofing style allows the use of clerestory. The size of window allows the entry of natural lighting and enhance proper ventilation to the interior space. Then, the direction of slope on both funnels allow maximum collection of rainwater, which benefits those who harvest rainwater. The disadvantages of the butterfly roof are ensuring the butterfly roof is waterproof is very essential. Drainage system can get clogged, causing water to pool or leak. This will weaken the pillars over time, which can cause the roof to collapse. Then, the butterfly roof is extremely complex and difficult to install, which drives up both labor and material costs as well as installation times. While the butterfly roofs are able to collect and either remove or reuse water, if they become clogged with debris or if a large amount of snow is allowed to collect on them, the roof can...
I will be presenting on gable roof. Based on the website of Protect Roofing, gable is defined as the part of the wall that encloses the end of a pitched roof. A gable roof includes two sloping sides and at least one gable. Based on the Protect Roofing website, the characteristic of gable roof is it has rectangular section of wall at the end of the pitched roof and extending from the eave to the peak. While based on the website of study.com, gable roof has two sides of the roof that are sloped or pitched at an angle. The sides made along a center ridge that run parallel to the length of the house. Gable roof has various types of design depends on the building. The variations of the gable roof are included side gable roof, cross gable roof, flying gable roof, and Dutch gable roof. There are advantages and disadvantages of the gable roof. The gable roof will easily shed water and snow, provide more space for the attic or vaulted ceiling, and allow more ventilation. Their simple design makes them easier to build and cheaper than more complex design. In opposite, gable roof can be problematic in high wind and hurricane-prone areas. If the frames are not properly constructed with adequate support, the roof can be collapsed due to the strong winds. Next, I will talk about hip roof. These are some of the pictures of hip roof. Based on the website of Protect Roofing, hip is referred to the external angle that is formed at where the two adjacent sides meet. And based on modernized website, the characteristic of hip roofs is that it has slope on all four sides in equal length and comes together at the top to form a ridge. Hip is the area where one section of the roof meets another. Hip roofs are ideal in windy and snowy areas, as the slant of the roof allows snow to easily slide off and prevent standing water that could cause the roof to collapse. The variation of hip roof are included mansard hip roof, pavilion hip roof, half hip roof, and cross hip roof. There are advantages and disadvantages of the hip roof. The advantages of the hip roof are more stable than gable roof. The inward slope of all four sides is what makes it more sturdy and durable. Hip roofs are excellent for both high wind and snowy areas. The slant of the roof allows snow to easily slide off with no standing water. Hip roof can offer extra living space when a dormer crowd nest is added to a hip roof. In opposite, hip roofs are more expensive to build than a gable roof because it is a more complex design that requires more building materials. Also, if there are dormers built into the overall design of a hip roof, the additional seams and valleys can make it easily to potential water leaks to occur around the dormers if the roofing system is not properly installed.
Next, key components of roof. One of the most important components of a house is the roof. The roof of a house helps the occupant to be safe and protected. Besides that, roof also gives an aesthetic appeal to the house. For a roof to be fully functional and stable, the key or basic components are as follows. For the base of the roof, thick hardwood tie joist is intended to resist the outward thrust of rafter under heavy load. It is also to add support to ceiling joists to withstand the downward forces. Thick hardwood ceiling joist is structured to fix the ceiling, support, and fix the diagonal rafter that define the roof shape. The diagonal rafter is used to place the clay roofing tile in place. Clay roofing tile is very durable and lasts long. The color will never fade, and there is no high maintenance costs. Without clay roofing tile or any roofing tile, the house is not protected from rain, snow, hail, wind, and etc. The most important components of a roof is the concrete beam. Concrete beam is to support the load of the roof. It is also to support load forces endured by the roof. Load from the roof will be transferred to the walls and into the ground through the tie joists and ceiling joists and through concrete beam. Roof ridge or ridge tee or ridge board. The tree provides structural connection for the rafters. They also add lateral stability from both sides, and it forms a rigid spine for the roof peak. Asphaltic sheet from the roof ridge provide resistance to leaks, wind, and can withstand harsh weather conditions. UPVC gutter bracket is used to prevent water entering the fabric of the building. It channels rainwater away from exterior of the walls and foundation because it is to avoid dampness in the walls and timber that could affect the strength of the structure.
Products of roof. Solar shingles used as an alternative to the standard PV solar panels. They absorb heat and light and then transform into energy which can be used to power the building or store for emergency use. These are a great option to reduce carbon footprint and save money while retaining a sleek and elegant aesthetic. Synthetic wood shacks are a newer type roofing that use alternative material to replicate traditional forms of roofing material. The most popular one is vinyl cedar shacks. They are lightweight and bring lots of advantage. Metal shingles are made from metal and consist recycled content. They are energy efficient because the roof reflects the sun rather than absorb it. Metal roof brings many benefits, but the underside of the metal roof can pull moisture which will damage to the building, so the need of underlayment is important. Louvered roofing are generally served as patio and deck roof. Louvers are angled slabs to allow air and light come through. It provides a modern look for buildings. They are easy to clean and allow for optimum air and light flow. Synthetic SLATE shingles is more affordable than SLATE shingles. They are lighter and generally manufactured to be fire and weather resistant. If maintained, they also can last up to 100 years. Green roofs are a kind of rooftop greenhouse. It has cooling effect on the building. Green roofs contribute to improved air quality and offset carbon dioxide emission, improve the draining system, and to extend the lifespan of a roof. Another environmental roofing innovation is blue roofing. Blue roofs are constructed on flat or low slope roofs in urban communities. This roof is designed to capture and store rainwater. It also helps to keep buildings natural.